Hello everyone, my name is Gabriela Aluna and I'm from class 11A. Now I am going to tell you guys a story about the legend of Toba Lake. Once upon a time, in one village of North Sumatra, there lived a poor farmer named Toba. One day, he went fishing. Luckily, he got a beautiful goldfish. He carried it home, then went to cook it. But when he got home, the fish turned into a beautiful woman. The woman told him that she was cursed. She asked Toba to keep it as a secret. Toba agreed, but only with one condition, that she would marry him. So they got married and had one child named Samosir. This boy liked to eat much food. One day, mother asked Samosir to bring lunch to father. On the way to rice field, Samosir stopped and ate most of food. After that, he gave the rest of food to his father. Toba was very angry and shouted, You a fish kid! You are so greedy! Samosir cried and ran toward his mom. He asked mother why father called him a fish kid. The woman was really upset that Toba broke his promise. Mother and son now disappeared. Soon there were springs that caused a Yesu. It's called Toba Lake. And a lake in the middle of Toba Lake is called Samosir Island.